Join me as I dive into the brand new Dacia Bigster and put its amazing features to the ultimate test in 2025. The Dacia Bigster is making waves in the SUV segment, and for good reason. This car is a game changer, offering a unique blend of style, functionality, and affordability that's hard to find in today's market. What really sets it apart is its bold design and impressive features list, which seem to punch above its weight class. The Bigster's design is not just about looks, it's also about functionality. Its spacious interior and clever use of space make it a practical choice for families and adventurers alike. With the Bigster, Dacia is aiming to shake up the SUV market by offering a vehicle that's not only stylish and feature-packed, but also incredibly practical. Its significance lies in its ability to offer a lot of car for the money, making it an attractive option for those looking for value. Dacia has built a reputation for offering affordable and innovative vehicles, and the Bigster is no exception. The company has come a long way since its inception, consistently pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the automotive world. The journey to the Bigster's development involved taking the best aspects of Dacia's previous models and incorporating cutting-edge technology and design. Over the years, Dacia has listened to feedback from customers and motor journalists, using it to refine their vehicles. The Bigster represents a significant milestone in this journey, showcasing Dacia's commitment to quality and innovation. Dacia's history leading up to the Bigster's development is marked by a focus on affordability without compromising on features or performance. The Dacia Bigster boasts a sleek and modern design, complete with LED headlights and a bold front grille. Its exterior is not just about looks. It's also aerodynamically optimized for better fuel efficiency. Inside, the Bigster features a spacious cabin with plenty of room for passengers and luggage. The dashboard is equipped with a user-friendly infotainment system and a digital instrument cluster, making it both functional and enjoyable to drive. Safety is a top priority in the Bigster, which comes equipped with a range of advanced safety features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking, ensuring a safe and confident driving experience. Under the hood, the Bigster offers a choice of efficient engines, including petrol and hybrid options. These engines deliver impressive performance while maintaining excellent fuel economy, making the Bigster a cost-effective choice for daily driving. The Bigster's key features don't stop there. It also offers a range of convenience features, such as keyless entry and start and a panoramic sunroof. These features add to the overall sense of luxury and comfort. The interior of the Bigster is designed with comfort in mind, featuring heated seats and a premium sound system. Whether you're driving a long road trip or just running errands around town, the Bigster is designed to make every drive enjoyable. In terms of performance, the Bigster delivers a smooth and responsive driving experience. Its suspension system is tuned for comfort, making it well-suited for both city driving and longer journeys. The Bigster's infotainment system is easy to use and features a range of connectivity options, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This keeps you connected on the go, making it easy to navigate, stream music, or make hands-free calls. The Dacia Bigster's advantages are clear. It offers exceptional value for money, with a low starting price and low running costs. Its fuel efficiency is another major plus, making it an attractive option for those looking to save money on fuel. However, like any vehicle, the Bigster isn't without its drawbacks. Some might find the interior materials a bit lacking in premium feel, and the rear seats don't fold flat, which could be a drawback for those needing maximum cargo space. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Bigster's advantages far outweigh its disadvantages. Its overall package makes it a compelling choice in the SUV segment. The Bigster's fuel efficiency is a major selling point, with the hybrid model offering impressive fuel economy. This makes it an excellent choice for those looking to reduce their fuel costs and environmental impact. When comparing the Dacia Bigster to other SUVs in its class, such as the Duster, it becomes clear that the Bigster offers a lot of car for the money. Its features and performance specifications are on par with, if not superior to, those of its competitors. The Bigster's main competitor is arguably the Dacia Duster, which has been a popular choice in the SUV segment for years. However, the Bigster offers several key upgrades, including a more spacious interior and more advanced safety features. In terms of price, the Bigster is competitively positioned, offering a lower starting price than many of its competitors. This makes it an attractive option for those on a budget. The Bigster's overall appeal lies in its ability to offer a lot of car for the money. Its features, performance, and affordability make it a compelling choice for those looking for a reliable and practical SUV. I've had the chance to experience the Bigster firsthand, and I must say, it's an impressive vehicle. What excites me most is its potential to shake up the SUV market by offering a lot of car for the money. The Bigster's features and performance specifications make it a strong contender in its class. Its value for money and fuel efficiency are major selling points. If you're in the market for a new SUV, the Dacia Bigster is definitely worth considering. Its advantages, including its affordability and practicality, make it an attractive option for many buyers. In my opinion, the Bigster is a solid choice for families, adventurers, and anyone looking for a reliable and practical SUV. Its features and performance specifications make it well-suited for a variety of driving needs. I give the Bigster a solid 4 out of 5 stars. It's a well-rounded vehicle that offers a lot of car for the money. The types of buyers who would benefit most from a Bigster are those looking for a practical and affordable SUV. If you're interested in learning more about the Bigster and other vehicles, be sure to check out my other videos. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the Bigster. Please share your opinions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive reviews and updates.